guys, it's Roy here from MarvelCo12 and EpicDroid.com, and we're here today with a super quick video on the Poetic Revolution for the OnePlus 8 Pro. The Poetic Revolution is Poetic's most protective case, and it does an insanely good job of protecting your device. The Poetic Revolution comes in two different pieces. We have this main piece right here, which is a softer TPU layer on around the outside, and then a harder plastic shell here on the back. And in this case, that other piece is actually two separate pieces. So normally when you get these types of cases, you'll get a screen protector that's built into your case. You have this frame that you put on your phone, and then you put that in here to hold your phone in place. And this particular one has a screen protector built in. I don't like these screen protectors. They're a great idea and they work for some people, however they do not work for me. I would much rather use a screen protector that is applied directly to my device and gives it just a little bit more protection and keeps things from getting in between the screen protector and the phone. So Poetic has realized that there's people like me out there, and instead of sending us one of them, they sent us two different frames. And this one here takes that screen protector out, so we don't have that problem anymore. So when I get this case, I am able to have the option of using it with the screen protector, without the screen protector, or switching back and forth. Now, because I already have a screen protector on that I super like, I'm going to be going ahead and I'm going to be using the frame without the screen protector today. To put this on your phone, what you do is you're going to take your phone and you're going to go and you're going to put it in with the volume buttons first. And you're going to slide it down around the slider. Just pull that out just a little bit gently and put it on. And then you take the case and you're going to slide it in. And it works best if you start from the bottom and you work your way up. And just push it in around all the corners. But once it's on, it looks super good, and you're ready to go. So the first thing you'll see here is that there is this raised lip here across the bottom and the top of the device that does provide you with some protection for that screen. So even if you didn't want to use a screen protector, you could set that face down, be able to slide it around without your screen getting scratched up. Here on the back, we do have a lot of features that protect the case as well as the device. We have this super deep cutout here for the camera, the flash, and the other sensors. It's just the right size, and it has a slight angle there where it doesn't get in the way of taking pictures, but it's going to protect it no matter what. Back of the case also has these little bumpers here. You can see these little tiny feet. Those let you set that down on the back without having to worry about the case itself getting scratched up. Also here on the back, we do have this little kickstand. You just slide that out. You can use your device in portrait mode, or you can use it in a landscape mode. So here on the side we do have a couple of different features. We have the power button right here, and as you can see there's no issues using that. Then we have a little recess here for the slider, and there's not really any issues using that. You just need to make sure you go at the right angle to get that there. Then on this side we do have the volume buttons, and as you can see, volume up and volume down, there's no problems using that. Here up top we have a cutout for your noise cancelling mic. Here on the bottom we have a cutout for your regular mic as well as for your speaker. And then we have this little tab here that you can pull back in order to be able to use the USB-C charging. That tab there keeps water and dust out of your charging port to provide some additional protection. And the great news is you'll be able to leave that in pretty much as long as you want, because this case does support warp wireless charging. All in all, it's a super great case. I really like the look of it, I like the feel of it, and I like the way that it protects my device. The case does go for around $20 on Amazon. We'll have links in the video description down below. It does come in a couple of different color options, so check and see which color fits best for you. If you guys have any questions about the case, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.